Autonomous Council CEM inaugurates new office of GINFED Board. Nilib Democratic Forum holds extended meeting in Akoyputa. BJP leader Promeswar Rongpi passes away. Yashvir Sofa Store. Bangso store along nang litum longigji, mesen na sofa. Anchot kalisi, an namjum hekpenta longigji. Nang litum an ningkehang a design, ateng pen kasi margin ningkehang do setame, bangso Yashvir Sofa Store along pen longigji. Lapen an parta, hemalong kahinotang sofa, puthot kasemar mate repairing oversize ita longigji. Kahumri ng Jiadim lake Yashvir Sofa Store, Dokmoka Forest IB at Hengno. Klarda Kachini Jiapan, 8459-492372, Lapenke 86381-48114, along Humri Lote, Longigji. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. I'm Margaret Rangpi, and now the news in details. A new office building of the GINFED board was inaugurated on Tuesday by CEM Tuliram Ronghang at the board's office at Keroni along the Dipu Manjar Road. Here is a report. The board was established in the year 2007 and has been registered under Cooperative Under Society Act, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. CEM, while speaking at the occasion, said that presently the GINFED board is functioning under Deputy Commissioner's office, but steps are being initiated to bring it under the ambit of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Ever since its establishment of the board, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council executive member taking the charge of Agriculture Department has been entrusted to select one person as a chairman for the board. The present chairman, Johnny Timung, informed that a GIA of ₹1 crore has been provided to the board in order to support the ginger growers. He also informed that several poor ginger growers have been provided free seeds to cultivate the crop.
GINFED asahem long Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si mariting basi pini bangso chairman asahem ingpu poning lo lapen ke bangilangan ita da ke paringi fan undertaking lang tum cecak komekalo koson si paring hal tum fan menceng lo pada vela khetiok mane hamso katiki atuman fan bang alang lem kera pon thegi fan finance mate tangkai na melang tum tipon po GIA pen tipon po basi alang tum cecak pon mate kuti si CM sarpen GIA pen tipon po hamso kecutiki tuman ke kelang pon dia fan ke paring pon fan.
The inauguration function was also attended by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Amar Singh Tiso and other dignitaries.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council andar kadi sita da Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ya juni timo akai pan GINFED chairman idiot penapi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council andar ka chewanji pan litum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo EC resolution and law cabinet kulo isi resolution and law laso isi resolution na tengpen ke GINFED ta isi department lo lapen ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pensi control purpose bini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pensi asai hem GINFED a chairman asai hem pining kupon laso ingpu pona hot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen GINFED a chairman alang li beneficiaries tum pan pang room si kidu ka tumaphan je alang tum tangka poisa ka dore tumaphan akejoy pen hanso chilita report diglo.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Nilib Democratic Forum had today held an extended meeting at Akoyputa polling station under number 25 Nilib MSC constituency. The meeting was convened seeing the upcoming MSC election in which they are also contesting from the constituency. Probable MSC candidate of the party and former KFA president Avinash Ronghang, while speaking to the media persons, said that his party will continue to hold such extended meeting in all the polling stations under the constituency.
ni tum dak tak long ke apa kota PS lo mangke sulit hut NDF ni tum palong po tapi tum pan rat ni tum along dolo pen rat ni tum non claim di bom la si rat pa ning ka chete ben si tum pan NDF long wang ma voter ni tum dam tang long lo NDF tum ni tum alai tum thal pio dangai nang lo sitam dam tang rat jari tum kan po alai tum pan ke ram nang jiang deng bangke pini ni dak apa kota PS lo hang da bedelo la so pena posi non bangke ni tum akaya vinas long hang apan ding ke thela penang li rat kam claim la pen songja po pu tum lakha lo pen lang li ke karbiang long la pen dimaso patame lang li kam claim bang lo.
Ronghang also said that people of Nilip are welcoming him with open hearts and he is hopeful to receive more people in the party. The meeting was also attended by NDF leaders including Bilison Terang, Benting Terang, Sujit Timung, Rup Singh Singnar, Bimol Ingti and 100 other supporters.
Ruling party long do sinan nilip political party do nilip democratic forum tangdang mai sipini dak pamban bon lo lake wangji election sita nilip pen ruling party long do dunan ji penke ruling party pen opposition party ke do threat patlang lo la sikadu le pasame kon ladak nilip warlo kele nam de abi matias lo ansta minute la son thasi amai meeting pamban
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. Founder and president of Baladav Gramin Party, Promeswar Rongpi, passes away on April 27. He was only 36 years old and was having the dream of strengthening his party all over Karbi Anglong. The Baladav Gramin Party came into existence on February 1, 2022 under the leadership of the deceased Promeswar Rongpi, a resident of Kangnek Giling village. His family members and a few number of fellow party members said that Promeswar has worked very hard to expand his BGP. Unfortunately, on the night of April 27, he did not wake up from his sleep. Family members and party members gathered at his residence on Tuesday and paid their respect to him. They expressed their grief on the loss of a budding leader from their locality.
Inkoira proxy angka inkoira proxiarni alang li amir tudam juilo lapenti pini anmage anapa chorablo lapensi alang li BJP Badlab Gramin Party pamang patek pensi founder of BJP Ramesorong pamang patek pen secretary terang sarsing terang dolo founder presiden mangke sonjurong dolo lapenti ladepen adugwe rong sargang buratum chitong pen BJP pamang patek pen tarik thang tarik isiar ni amang patek pen do bomlu Amente alang amir tudon jujoy si nilitum social media long phapona koklo.
Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.